Hi everybody, I'm Francesco from Spotahome Rome. Now I am in Via Ettore Rolli. We are in the middle of Trastevere and Garbatella's area. So this apartment is well connected to the center, but it's in the center. And so we have a tram and bus stops, and also in 5 minutes we arrive by walk at Trastevere train station. So let's check the apartment. Okay, this is the entrance, and here we have an elevator. Okay, this is the living room, very big. Here we have a very nice big sofa, and as you can see we have a little TV and this very big window, little table, and this furniture. So in this way we have the bathroom and the room, and in that way the kitchen. So let's check the kitchen before. Also we have another big window and this very nice dining table, and this is the kitchen. Oh, sorry, this is tower. Okay, this is the kitchen. We have oven, gas cooker, sink, and this little fridge. Very nice. Also we have this nice old style furniture. Okay, so it's little but very nice. Okay, also okay, let's check the bedroom and the bathroom. Okay, here we have a little toilet. Okay, this with a mirror, and in this toilet we have washing machine. Okay, so this is the bedroom. Okay, we have a double bed, bedside table with a very nice lamp. I want to show you the lights. Okay, so and in this bedroom we have private bathroom and this very big wardrobe. Okay, also this furniture frozen, and here we have another big wardrobe. Okay, and this very nice window, and the view is of interior courtyard. Okay, and this is the bathroom. Okay, with this nice sink, mirror, very big shower. Okay, bidet, toilet, very new heating unit. So the landlord said me that in 5-10 days we can put an air conditioner here, but now there isn't, so now we don't have. Okay, all you need. So I want to show you the view from the window, and I want to explain a little. Okay, sorry, but I don't know. Okay, so big. Okay, this is a very nice street, because here In this direction we have Garbatella and Ponte Garbatella, and in this way we have famous market Porta Portese on Sunday, and in this direction we have Trastevere train station. So we are in a very strategical point of the city. Okay, and this window is very nice with two glasses and to reduce noise. So guys, I hope you like this apartment in Trastevere. Check on our website for more information. Ciao from Spotahome Rome. Bye.